My name is Emőke Bartalis. I'm originally from Romania. I came to Germany as an EVS volunteer 6 years ago. And after my EVS, I started to work in that NGO next to Berlin. And my job is kind of divided in two fields. One field is coordinating volunteers, EVS, and right now it's ESC volunteers. And the other field is doing international youth work. After doing some years of kind of youth work, I had a feeling that I want to do it a bit more in a professional way. And this is why I was searching for different training courses, and I found the one, it's up to me 6 from Naturkultur. I cannot really describe how happy I am that I could take part in this training course, because it came in just in the right moment, that it was really life-changing for me, and it turned out to be just amazing. After the training course, I was really motivated and inspired by the people and by the atmosphere there, like what I experienced there. I really wanted to continue somehow this kind of work, or just keep in touch with the people or do something together. There were several youth exchanges where we could have applied as a shadow facilitator, but this one was quite special because it was a camping. I know youth exchanges, I know the structure, but I could not imagine how it will work on a campsite. It was quite challenging, but I am so impressed how good it worked at the end. Being a shadow facilitator meant for me being an equal member of the facilitators team, but having the freedom to decide how much responsibility I want to take over. I had the chance to have my own workshops, but I was also able to just observe like all the activities, to watch how the participants are reacting to different things, how the facilitators team is working in advance, during the workshops, during the activities, after the activities, how the team is working together. The most important learning outcome was for me to learn how to deal with unexpected situations. So it doesn't matter which kind of obstacles we are facing, it doesn't matter which kind of weather we have or conditions we have. The most important is how a team is reacting to it, how the facilitators are adjusting the workshops, the activities, how the logistic team is helping, supporting that everything can go smooth. So I think that the teamwork was the most important what I observed and realized in this youth exchange. What was also really important for me to receive feedback from much more experienced facilitators than me, especially after my workshops, but also in between activities and so on. So they were also aware of my position, that I'm there in order to learn, and they were explaining so many things and just giving some advices or hints. So for the next person who might get a shadow facilitator's position, I would say it's really important to be aware of this position, to know what you can expect from this, and to have a, let's say, personal goal, to know what you want to achieve, and then just follow it. I really would like to thank Naturkultur to get the chance to participate in this youth exchange and to learn so many things which will be really important for my future projects.